Hi guys, this is Lucky from UNLCOK. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating easy way to unlock a forgotten Samsung pattern without losing your files, without losing any information, without losing your contacts, your pictures, your photos, and your files that you have on your Android device. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump right into the video, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see here, when I try to draw a pattern here, it's saying incorrect pattern drawn. So when I try to draw pattern, so it's saying incorrect pattern drawn. Try again in 27 seconds. So let's wait until the countdown is complete. So I've actually tried this in a couple of some Samsung phones, and it's actually working. I've unlocked several couple of Samsung phone, and it's working. So I decided to bring this tutorial here on YouTube. Now, if this is actually your first time of coming across this channel, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification so you don't miss any of our future tech support video. Here we post tech related video here on this channel. So, and I also like you to give this video a thumbs up and drop that a comment in the comment section. Let's know your feedback about this tutorial. All right, so guys, as you can see here, when I draw pattern, it's not working. Nothing is working. All right, saying incorrect pattern drawn. All right, so the very first thing we want to do here now is to restart the phone. But before we go ahead and restart the phone, we're going to take out the SIM card from the SIM card tray. Just follow the step-by-step process that I'm showing you. If you skip any step, trust me, this is not going to work. So I'll use this pin and then remove the SIM tray so I can bring out the SIM card from the SIM card slot. All right, so here I have my SIM card, so I'll keep this and then I'll return my SIM card tray. And then so the next thing that I want to do here now is to restart the phone. So I'll hold the power button, and then when the power option comes out, then I'll click on restart. All right, so because of the authentication of this Samsung phone, and it's requesting for a pattern for me to restart the phone. So what we're going to do here now is to do a hard restart on the phone. So we're going to do a hard restart on the phone. So how do we do that? Now you're going to do this by holding the power button and then the volume down button together. You combine these two buttons together for some couple of seconds until the phone restarts. So let's do this together. So I'm going to hold these two buttons together. All right, so it's coming on now. So I've successfully restarted the phone. So guys, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up. Now, it's actually one of the ways that you can actually support me on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up so YouTube will get to recommend this video to other viewers here on YouTube. Also, drop down a comment in the comment section. So let's wait until the phone restarts. All right, so when it's done restarting, so here, all right, so here we are now. So we are going to return back all the SIM card, the SIM card tray. It doesn't matter if you have one SIM, so but I have two SIM card on my so I'll return back the SIM card. All right, so here we are. So the next place you want to click now is to click on this emergency call section here, and make sure you follow all the code that I'm going to give you right now. Dial all this code that I'm going to give you right now in this emergency call section. So you want to dial star hash 0006 hash, then you dial. Now you're going to get a message like this. All right, so you continue. So you still dial this code again, star 601 star hash. You dial it. Now you must be dialing all this code. Make sure you don't miss any code. Now you can write out all this code, so you can just do it after watching this video. All right, so star hash 1010 hash, then you dial it, so you still get a message like this: star hash 606 star hash. They want to dial it, you dial it. So finally you're going to dial this one again: star hash 1100 star hash, then you dial it. All right, so after this one, then you click back, you go back, and then you wait for 5 seconds. So let's wait until 5 seconds. All right, so this is 5 seconds. So you still go back to this emergency call section. So you go back and then you dial this code finally before we move to the next step: star hash 0000, then star hash, then you dial it, you dial this. All right, so finally you get a message like this. All right, so here we are. Now the next thing we want to do here now is to boot into the save mode. So we're going to boot into the save mode of this Samsung phone, right? So we click on this power button, just hold the power button and then wait for the power options to come out. All right, so when this power option is finally out, then you tap and hold on the power button, tap and hold on the power button. So I'll tap and hold on the power button, and then I'll get a message like this. Now this is save mode. We're going to boot into the save mode. Now save mode is actually a built-in feature in every Android device. Now what this does is that when you boot into the save mode, it's going to disable all the third-party software and application that you installed by yourself. Now you're going to have access to only the software and application that is factory installed by the phone when you newly bought the phone. All right, so it's actually a method for you to use to you can use to troubleshoot and find out if the problem that your phone is having is actually coming from the app or the software that you installed on your phone. So the next thing we want to do here now is to boot into that save mode. All right, so I'll hold this power button here. I'll hold this power button and then I'll hold this. So let me quickly show you how I'm going to demonstrate this. Now I'm going to hold this power button here and then I'll click on this. I'll click on this power icon, right? And then I'll click on this once again, click and hold. Once the save mode has displayed, now you tap just once, just tap on it once. When this option comes out, then you still do a hard restart. Upon doing a hard restart, it's going to boot into the save mode where we are going to be unlocking this one. So here I'm going to do this now. I'm going to do a hard restart again. So upon restarting, it's going to boot into that save mode. All right, so it's going to restart now. So let's wait until the phone restarts.
Like a Hellcat.
All right, so guys, when the phone has fully restarted, now you're going to see the save mode watermark by the left hand side of your screen. All right, so this is the save mode here. Now what we're going to do here basically is to enter a pattern that you're going to use to unlock the phone at the moment. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a tree pattern here. Now you can choose your own pattern. Now what that pattern is going to do, that is the pattern we're going to actually use to unlock this phone when we are booted into the normal mode. All right, so here I'm going to use this pattern. You can still use the same pattern that I use in this video, or you can use your own pattern. But the major thing here is that the pattern you're going to draw in the save mode is what you're going to actually use to unlock this phone after we have booted into the normal mode. All right, so here I'm going to enter the pattern. Now I'm going to draw this pattern like 5 times. So I'll draw the first one. Now this is the pattern I'm actually choosing. Now I'll draw the second time. Now I'll draw the third one, the fourth, and then finally the fifth. All right, so we are going to, you get this option. Just wait after the countdown. Now when the countdown is complete, then all you need to do now, so let's just wait for the countdown. So this is just a trick that is working on all Samsung. I've tried this in so many Samsung device and it's actually working. All right, so if you have a Samsung phone, this is only applicable to Samsung phone. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do here now is to do a hard restart for us to boot in into the normal mode of the phone. All right, so I'm going to hold the power button and then the volume down button together, just like we earlier did, so to restart the phone. So let's do this together. So I'll hold these two buttons together. So what you need to just keep in mind the pattern that you used, just because it's still the same pattern that we're going to be using to unlock the phone. All right, so just like I said, you're going to follow all the instruction and all the steps that I demonstrated in the video. So if actually you try this and it's not working, you can also drop down a comment in the comment section. Then if it works for you, then you can also drop down a comment in the comment section. All right, so what you have to do, you just have to keep in mind the pattern that you draw when we are in the save mode, because it's still that pattern that we're going to actually use to unlock the phone. All right, so here the phone has rebooted. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to apply the pattern that you applied when we are in the save mode, and that is exactly the pattern that we're going to use to unlock the phone. All right, so and here is the pattern, so I'll go ahead and draw the pattern now. All right, so guys, as you can see, we have successfully unlocked this phone. We have unlocked this phone, right? So let me show you that all the data, all the informations, everything that is on the phone is still there. So let me show you that as a proof. As you can see, these are the pictures that is on this phone. Everything is still intact. Nothing was deleted. The phone was not formatted, so all the pictures and everything is still inside the phone. All right, so and see, these are my contacts, all the contacts and all the informations. There was no data loss. Everything is intact. There was no data loss. Everything is still there. All right, so that is it on how to unlock any forgotten Android pattern, Samsung Android pattern, without losing your files and your data. Now, if you find this video helpful, guys, I would like you to give us a feedback in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. That will actually make YouTube to recommend this video to other viewers here on YouTube. All right, so if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, subscribe and turn the bell notification, so anytime I will drop a content like this on YouTube, you'll be notified and you come and watch the video. All right, so with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.